What's the meaning of black fly? Black fly. Black fly.
Black fly. Black fly. Black fly is a term used to describe a species of small, blood-sucking insects that belong to the family Simulidae. These flies are typically black in color, hence their name. They are found in many parts of the world, and can be particularly prevalent in areas with flowing water, such as streams and rivers. Black flies are known for their painful bites, which can cause swelling, itching, and even allergic reactions in some individuals. Despite their nuisance factor, black flies play an important role in their respective ecosystems, serving as a food source for various birds, fish, and other wildlife.